So today I will show you how to conduct a literature review, a comprehensive literature review using the software called Scispace. So in this research, we are asking this question: are people rational? Or we want to carry out a comprehensive literature review on this question, whereby we are asking ourselves, are people rational? So when you type this question, or when you type this prompt on the search tab of Scispace, then you click enter, then you'll be presented with the different research papers that have researched on that particular topic. So in this case, the first thing that you see is answers from top 5 papers. So you can see here there is the answer or a summary of answers from the top 5 papers, and you can see these papers are actually cited. You can see this one. If you click on it, you can actually be taken to where that paper is. So and then there is different subtopics: rational behavior, evidence of irrationality, and then contextual and dual nature of rationality. So a summary of the first 5 papers is presented, and then the most interesting thing is this other section, whereby we are presented with the past 10 research papers, and then there are different things that you can be able to see or to be able to find from these research papers. So the first thing that is presented is insights. So this software gives you insights from the papers, from the research papers. So you can see for this particular research paper, are people basically rational, reflective, calculative beings, or emotive, impulsive creatures? So it gives you the insight from that particular paper, and then you also get the insight from the second paper. So actually you can develop the literature review using these particular insights. And then another thing that you can be able to get, or you can be able to develop from these using this software, is the summary of results. So you just need to click here. If you look here, you can just click results, and then the software will generate results. You can see another tab has been presented, and then the results of these papers will be automatically generated. You can see the results for this paper are presented here. Then there is the results for this other paper here. Another thing that you can generate, maybe you can generate the practical implications. From these papers. So when you click on that, the practical implications from these papers will be generated, and therefore you can be able to get some information to use in your research papers. So there are other things that you can be able also to generate. You can generate conclusions of the research papers, summarized abstract, summarized introductions, methods used. You can be able to summarize. You can click here on methods used, and then you can be able to generate information of methods used in each of these research papers, and also contributions, objective findings, etc. Actually there are many of them. Future research, dependent variables, independent, all these are insights that you can actually generate from these papers. So this software is actually very strong and very useful when you're carrying out your research or your literature review research. Actually, in addition to the top 10 papers, you can actually load more papers. You just need to click here and you can load more papers, and then you can continue carrying out your literature review. Actually, now you can be able to load 20 papers that are researching or that have researched on your topic. So you can see how you can be able to carry out a comprehensive research or literature review. Actually, you can also be able to load more papers, and you can be able to load as much papers as you want when you're carrying out literature review. So this software is actually very important for researchers.